जे मेडिक्लेम जे विशयी हांवें जो रेजोल्यूशन हाडला इतलेच खातीर किंवा रेजोल्यूशन जे हाडपाचें कारण की मेडिक्लेम जी स्कीम जी आसली ती खऱ्या अर्थान ज्यांचे फायनान्शियल कंडिशन बरी ना, ग्रामीण भागाचे लोक आसता, गरीब मनीस आसता, तांकां खंय तरी भायल्या हॉस्पिटलांनी उपचार वयची पडटा, तेन्ना तेजे कडेन तितले पयशे आसनात आनी हेका लागून ह्या उद्देशान ही स्कीम सरकारान काडली. पूण आतां अशें घडटा की हांगा मेडिक्लेम सँक्शन जाता, सँक्शन लेटरूय मेळटा, पूण ते लेटर जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलांत घेवन गेले उपरांत बॉम्बे वसा, केली वसा आनी खंय वसा, पूण ते हॉस्पिटल घेवपाक तयार नासतात. ते म्हणटा कितें, पयलीं पयशे भरा आनी मागीर ते जो पेशंट आसा तो ह्या कडेन धांवून तेजे कडेन कांय तेंची कॅपेसिटी आसना आनी मागीर ते खंय तरी सगळ्या कडेन सान ह्या कडेन एकठांय करून पयशे ते मागीर एकठांय करचे पडटात, मागीर ते रिएम्बर्स जातात. जे हॉस्पिटलांचे जे की तुमचे उरलेले आसा जेणे घेणे ते कंप्लीट करा आनी हांकां स्किमी जेन्ना जो मनीस वयता ताका ही फॅसिलिटी मेळपा जाय.
We don't have these facilities with us. We don't know when we'll make these facilities available with us. I have been persistently writing different letters regarding 3-4 cases, but it takes so much time to get replies from your departments. Each one has its own powers. Don't make people run around for a scheme. First of all, they are troubled, their health is not well, their loved one is not well, their daughter. I know of a small case, a 3-year-old girl. 3-year-old girl whose mother has been dancing from here to there, and I have been trying to help her. I have helped her financially to somebody else, to me, that is different cost. But why do people come to you? Because people can't afford. People who are affording can come, will never come to you because of this system in your system. So kindly look into the overall procedure. See that these people are not tormented. When a particular medical scheme is by your hospital, empanel hospital, is showing that it requires 6 lakh rupees or 8 lakh rupees, directly forward that application to the last person, whoever is empowered to give, and send a letter. Don't make them run pillar to post. Lots of things are there, Speaker Sir.
What Honorable Leader of Opposition is saying is that this credit facility should be made available to poor people. I totally agree with you. But then, if there is any specific case or any specific instance where this has happened, the government is paying attention to it. And in the last 2 months, we have been trying to see that what is the situation in every hospital that on paper, which says gives credit, whether actually they are giving credit. Second thing Honorable Member mentioned, just like this, as far as the Goa MEDICLAIM goes, is Tata Memorial. Tata Memorial is refusing to give us credit. We used to get credit earlier, but then there was to be some some payments used to be pending, as a result of which they stopped. So what I have told them is that immediately after the assembly session, make a small team of 2-3 of our Director Health Services and Dean Goa Medical College and 2-3 doctors, so that they can go and visit and talk to the management there. At least up to 1.5 to 3 lakhs we are able to admit the patient and provide relief to him, because initial treatment itself he is unable to take.